This week we will study the theory of plate tectonics, which has to do with the Earth's floor and how it moves. Let's remember that the Earth's floor or crust is made up of oceanic crust, which is below the ocean, and continental crust, which is what we call land. This theory was built upon by different scientists, including Alfred Wegener, Arthur Holmes, and Harry Hess, who finally published the theory of plate tectonics as we know it today in the 1960s. The theory of plate tectonics says that the Earth's crust is broken into different pieces known as plates, oceanic plates and continental plates. Visualize a hard-boiled egg and what happens when you squish it. The shell cracks, right? But it doesn't come off unless you peel it off. You can also think about it as the Earth being composed of puzzle pieces. The puzzle pieces are what we call plates. The Earth's plates are all moving in different directions and at different speeds. Plates only move a few centimeters each year, so collisions are very slow, slower than the growth of your fingernails. The plates move around and sometimes crash together, pull apart, or side rub each other. The place where the plates meet is called a plate boundary. Boundaries have different names depending on how the two plates are moving in relationship to each other. Let's talk about the different types of plate boundaries. Convergent plate boundaries. Convergent plate boundaries occur where plates crash or crunch together. There are three types of convergent boundaries. Oceanic continental convergent boundaries occur when a continental plate crashes into an oceanic plate. The oceanic plate goes under the continental crust because it is heavier. This type of plate tectonic boundary forms a sea trench and causes the formation of volcanoes. An oceanic convergent plate boundary occurs when two oceanic plates collide against each other. This creates a sea trench and the building of volcanoes. A continental convergent boundary occurs when two continental plates collide. The heavier crust slides under the lighter crust. This type of plate boundary creates mountain ranges. Divergent boundaries. In a divergent plate boundary, the plates pull away from each other. The separation of the two plates creates oceans. It also causes upwelling of magma from the Earth's mantle and creates new oceanic crust. Oceanic divergent boundaries occur when two ocean plates move apart and create a mid-ocean ridge. Continental divergent boundaries occur when continental plates move apart, creating a rift valley. Transform boundaries. In a transform plate boundary, the plates move horizontally past each other, or you can say they rub side each other. The transform plate boundaries can be located in both ocean and continental plates. When they move, they generate earthquakes. So we have looked at the theory of plate tectonics that says that the earth floor is broken into different pieces known as plates, and that these plates move in different directions. They move toward each other, known as convergent. They move away from each other, known as divergent, and they move past each other, known as transform.